Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix MMI not working in Audi. This tutorial will work for all of the Audi A models and also the Q models. So if you guys have any of these models, this solution will work for you. So basically guys, the first fix that you could try is restart the MMI system. In order to do that, all you need to do is press and hold the volume or power knob for about 10 seconds until the screen turns off and restart. So just go here to this button right here and then give it a hold. Click on it for like 10 seconds. As you can see guys, it's off, and then it's gonna be restarted. So once you restart it, hopefully it will be fixed directly. If not, this might mean that your battery maybe needs to be replaced, because one of the reasons is a weak battery, or also maybe you should change the switch. So this is it guys for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and see you guys in the next video.